Hi ladies, this is Chelsea from Kaylin Plus Size Designer Boutique. Okay, so I will be teaching you how to use our website today. I know that it's a bit tough for some of our customers who don't understand how our website is functioning like. If you want, you can log in your details here or create an account with us. If you want to check out as a guest, it is also possible, so you can just skip this step. If you need help, just click here. This is my account, so I can log in to your messenger. There's like a whole chat box that will pop up and you can type while you are shopping here. So this is all our details that you can follow us on, and then if you need help on your order or you're from overseas, you can always click on this kind of links to see how it works, like how the duties and taxes are covered by Kaylin, or like how international shipping is calculated. You can always click on this page and look through it. Local transactions would be for Singapore orders only. We do have self-collection if you drop by within 10 days of purchase. Just take your time to look through all these. So back to the home page. If you were to click on any of these banners, right, we will bring you to our new arrivals page or any collection page that we have. Like let's say bottoms, we will bring you to our bottoms page. So we have created a few features on our website that maybe some customers don't know how to use, but it should ease your shopping process. So if you want to just buy shorts, you can click shorts. If you want to search by color, there's also this color filter menu that you can also search by size. It's easier for you ladies. And our new arrivals, it has a few different products. So we have blouses, we have dresses, we have bottoms. So you can always search by these filter menu, or if you want, you can just search by color, patterns, sleeves, different sleeve lengths if you are particular about it, or same as before, you can search by size. And if you want, you can always search here. You see, if you search cotton, it will pop up different items. And by the way, if you scroll over the product, right, it will show you the different sizes that are available. Just click on them to make sure that it's available. I know that there are some products that have missing items, like let's say this skirt in XL is out of stock, so you will see like this cross here, so you'll know whether it's available or not just by scrolling over our products. If you want to look at our blog, this specific blog, it's about our customers, like how they should learn how to dress their curves, or maybe some tips, or why you should shop with us. And then if you want to go to Kaylin Gives Back, it's more of our social responsibility. So you can click on here, and then we will see our Women Support Women series. We have done a collaboration with True Manila in the past, and we also have Old Folks Home. So all these are things that you can read and look through. You can also click on the links at the side for recent articles. It's all listed here. And this is our about page. You can look at our fashion show and more about our founder. This is the information on our opening hours and our location. If you want to subscribe to our newsletter, you can always click here and enter your email. If you need help, please send us an email, or you can WhatsApp us. So this map will show you where we are at. We are here, just here. Let us bring Kaylin closer to you. It's actually a program that we set up for customers who really want to get to know KD, or wants our founder's expertise on how we dress our customers. So you can always book an appointment here with us, book a session at our boutique, or you can have a special delivery by KD. So it's here. You do have to pay a fee first, and eventually you'll be deducted from your bill, so you don't have to worry about that. Special delivery would be KD delivering to you if you spend $298 and above in our online shop, and then you click hand delivery by KD. So that's about it for our website. If you want to know how to use our mobile version, there's actually a video in our IGTV, so just go on to our IG page at Kaylin Online. So thank you for watching this video, and we will see you soon in our shop.